Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di, and Winston, who is not too happy that I'm putting a little hat on him. He is not happy at all. So Happy New Year, everybody. I just found this in the cupboard and I thought that Winston would want to wear it, but apparently not. So happy New Year, everybody. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Actually, usually I come to you on Monday with my Mimeograph Monday with a twist, and I'm going to be taking this week off because I've almost got everything designed. Hey, you want to go on the floor? He's like, oh, she's wearing the hat. All right, good boy. So I've got just a few more things to design for my spring social. And so that stuff is everywhere. Like I can't even turn my camera like I usually do because my desk is full. So I'm bad. I don't want to clean off my desk because I'm like mid projects here. And so I think I'm just going to take the week off, get it all figured out, because in a couple days we'll be able to order from the new mini and the celebration, which I'm going to be using for my spring social. So yeah, so I apologize, but I did want to come in and say Happy New Year. And hopefully I said Happy New Year, not Happy Anniversary or something crazy, because I get, Winston gets me so excited. Now, last night he did not, the neighborhood started fireworks at 7 o'clock at night. Oh, and he just scratched. It's a wonder I don't have bruises, because he would scratch on me, because he wants me to stop it, but I can't stop it. So we finally put him in his crate, and then he calmed down. And then he went to sleep. So now we need to remember that. But so yeah. So I do want to show you one little sneak peek for my spring social. Oh, and that's all you're going to see. Wasn't that mean? But I always love to do like a home decor kind of thing. So that's going to be the spring social one. So, but I'll be back next week with my normal stuff. I have the new hostess code on my blog. I have the new goodies in the guts. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do like a standalone class in the mail for January. And then of course, the spring social in February. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, the projects are so cute. If you missed out, and you want to do it, I have a couple left, but that will be like till they're gone, or like January 3rd is a definite last for that, because then I have to get everything ordered. So that's another reason why, you know, I'm just going to take the week off, get it all figured out, how many pieces of cardstock, how many envelopes I need, how much ribbon, just you name it, right? So so yeah, so hopefully you had a great New Year's Eve. And if you do have fur babies like we do, I hope they didn't cause too much of a fuss. When we had Kevin for that week, or however long we had Kevin, there was some sort of fireworks around that, and it didn't even faze him. So I don't know if it's because he was young, he didn't understand or whatever. But so yeah, so it's we're not a big fan of fireworks with the dog. So anyway, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Like I said, if you need me for anything, definitely reach out to me. Go to my blog over here if you have, you know, want to check anything out. Don't forget that the mini catalog, this one, the, whatchamacallit, this one, you only have a few more days on this mini catalog, as well as the last chance list. So make sure, again, you go to my blog, and hopefully I'm pointing in the right direction, and you get what you want, right? Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Now I'm just blabbering, and I apologize for that. So I will see you next week, and I will do my Mimeograph Monday with a twist that I had planned on doing. and I'll show you the goodies and the guts, and I have a fun Teach Me Tuesdays technique next week as well. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a great New Year's Day. Hopefully you're doing something fun, and maybe you're in your pajamas all day. I love doing that. All right, have a great one, and I will see you next week. All right, bye for now.